Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Phoenix. It's been a while, hasn't it? Today, we're making blueberry muffins. For that, you know the deal. Cue the intro. Well, like I said, making blueberry muffins. We got our ingredients here. It's gonna be a quick recipe. So that being said, let's get right in the video. Oven's preheating to 350. We got our muffin pan. We're supposed to be making blueberry muffins, but we ain't got no blueberries, so we're gonna use raspberries instead. We got our almond flour here. That's gonna be the main ingredient. First things first, you're gonna do 2.5 cups of almond flour. So you're going to do 2.5 cups of almond flour. One. Two. About a half a cup of that. Go ahead and set that aside. Now it calls for erythritol, but we ain't got none. So we are going to use good old-fashioned monk fruit. So we have monk fruit, half a cup of that. And you're going to go ahead and add 1.5 teaspoons of good old-fashioned baking powder. You're going to add 1/4 salt. So here's where the caveat goes. We ain't got no coconut oil. That's what it calls for. So we're going to use good old-fashioned avocado oil. I recommend Chosen Foods brand. So that's going to be 1/3 cup. We're just going to kind of eyeball that. All this goes in the same bowl, and then you're going to take unsweetened vanilla almond milk. That's going to be 1/3 cup. You're going to take 3 eggs, and you're going to add some vanilla extract spoons. Just going to kind of eyeball that. That's probably pretty good. And last but not least, the star of the show, we have our raspberries. So we're just going to dump those in. It calls for 3/4 of a cup raspberries or blueberries. So we're just going to dump those in. And then you're just going to go ahead and stir it all together. Up like so. We got some baking sheets. We do not have papers, so we're just going to use some avocado oil. So you know this recipe does have really good reviews online. And then you're going to put these in the oven at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. So that being said, we'll get them in the oven. And we will be back in 20 minutes, just like that with the magic. We got this going on. Blueberry muffins / raspberries. That being said, we're gonna let these cool before we go ahead and try out fasting, so we can't eat them anyway. That being said, it's been another episode of Cooking with Phoenix. I hope you enjoyed today's video. That being said, thanks for watching. Live to Phoenix, folks. Peace out. So after further review, it's later in the day. Went ahead, tried said muffins. A little bit dry. Not really sure how to feel about that. Maybe with some butter. Still good though. So, just an update. Like I said, thanks for watching.